Left-handed stitchers learned in previous courses how to orient the work and advance to make the most efficient and comfortable use of the dominant hand, so the non-dominant hand can help with thread control. I won't review the left-handed slip knot ring start for a round base, the needle chain start for the oval, or the flat panel start. Instead, I'll just remind you that the motifs in the other videos in this unit are worked right-handed. I suggest you plan to advance in the opposite direction. There are two things you may not have done before, though, so let me show you those. First is the open center start for a round motif. For an open center, wrap the thread several times around your finger, a pencil, or whatever. When you start looping, pull your first looping stitch tight to anchor the thread. Then start stitching around the outside of the ring, treating it as a base cord, working from right to left, and rotating the ring as you work. Once you have the thread ring secure, you can start making stitch variations to turn this round start into a round motif. A variation on that idea is to make the thread ring larger and then use it as the outer edge of a motif. You'll still want to pull the first stitch tight to anchor the thread, but now work the filling on the inside of the thread ring. And then work toward the center.